Hey guys, so what I have here is my latest vintage PC acquisition, and I'm in the process of trying to fix it. Since I got this computer off of eBay, it's a Dell Optiplex GX110. These are like the eBay gold mines of Pentium 3s that you'd mainly find on eBay. But luckily this one had a hard drive caddy, and I did manage to put a new hard drive, even though I did put in a brand new clock battery for the CMOS settings. But I am running into a bit of a dilemma while trying to install Windows 98 on this thing, even though I had put a new hard drive in it. I don't know if there's something in the BIOS that's not set correctly. Even though that keeps popping up, even though I had just put a new hard drive. So let's go ahead and go into the BIOS and show you everything. You guys might help me out here. So it is recognizing the hard drive, which is good. So it's showing the IDE CD-ROM drive and the floppy drive, which is good. So let's exit out of it. So let's say I boot from the CD-ROM. Sorry for the flickering. But let's say we're gonna do without CD-ROM support. And type F disk. For some strange reason, this pops up. But when I put the hard drive that I got for this computer in another computer, it actually formatted and worked. So I used my Dell Optiplex GX110. So I took the hard. It's a 40 gigabyte hard drive, and I tried it with a Windows 2000 install disk, and it actually worked in that computer. When I tried the 20 gigabyte hard drive from the Dell Optiplex GX110, it didn't want to recognize it. So if you guys want to help know what it is, feel free to put it in the comments, and I'll see what I can do to get this thing back up and going and have Windows 98 up and running on it in no time. So, yep, and I just wanted to show you my latest computer acquisition while I'm at it. And hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.